The share market can seem like a scary place, especially for beginners. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. Think of the share market like a giant flea market. In this market, people buy and sell pieces of companies. These pieces are called shares or stocks. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a tiny slice of ownership in that company. If the company does well, the value of your share goes up. But if the company doesn't perform well, the share value might go down. It's a bit of a roller coaster ride, but that's what makes it exciting. Now you might be wondering, where does all this buying and selling happen? That's where stock exchanges come in. These are like the organized marketplaces for buying and selling shares. Some famous ones are the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq. Companies need money to grow. They might need to build a new factory, hire more employees, or develop a new product. Issuing shares is one way for companies to raise this money. It's like selling little pieces of their company in exchange for cash. People who believe in the company's potential will buy these shares, hoping they'll be worth more in the future. Remember, when you buy a share, you become a part owner, even if it's a teeny tiny part. This means you have a stake in the company's success. So, how do you actually buy and sell shares? Well, you can't just walk into the stock exchange and start waving money around, though that would be fun. You need a broker. Brokers are like the middlemen between you and the stock exchange. They execute buy and sell orders on your behalf. These days you can find online brokers who make it super easy to trade shares from your computer or even your phone. Once you have a broker, you can start buying shares of companies you believe in. Remember to do your research and understand the risks involved. The share market plays a crucial role in the economy. It provides companies with a way to raise capital for growth and expansion. This in turn creates jobs, fuels innovation, and boosts economic growth. For investors, the share market offers an opportunity to grow their wealth over time. While it's essential to approach it with caution and knowledge, the share market can be a powerful tool for building a brighter financial future. So, there you have it, a beginner's guide to the share market. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn about the market, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions.